Hard drive versus SSD. What's the difference? This is an SSD, and this is a hard disk drive or HDD. At first glance, they both do exactly the same thing. They store your files, your photos, your games, your videos, even Windows itself. So why does one computer power on in just a few seconds, while another keeps you waiting? Is an SSD really that much faster, or is it just clever marketing? And more importantly, is it actually worth spending the extra money? Let's find out. Before we compare them, here's something a lot of people don't realize. An SSD and an HDD have exactly the same purpose. They're both storage devices. Their job is simple. They store your operating system, applications, games, documents, music, videos, basically everything on your computer. So if they do the same job, why does an SSD feel dramatically faster? The answer lies in how they work. Let's start with the older technology, the hard disk drive. An HDD stores data on spinning magnetic disks called platters. Inside the drive, those platters spin incredibly fast, typically at 5,400 or 7,200 revolutions per minute. At the same time, a tiny mechanical read and write arm moves across the spinning disks to find and access your data. Think of it like a record player. The record spins while the needle moves to the right position. A hard drive works in almost the same way. Every time you open a file, launch a game, or start Windows, the drive has to physically locate the information before it can send it to your computer. Because there are moving mechanical parts, this process naturally takes time, and that's why computers with traditional hard drives often feel slower. Now let's look at the SSD. Unlike a hard drive, an SSD has absolutely no moving parts. Instead, it stores your data on flash memory chips, similar to the technology used in smartphones and USB flash drives. Since nothing has to spin and nothing has to move, the SSD can access your files almost instantly. Imagine searching for a book in a massive library, compared with typing a name into Google and getting the answer immediately. That's the difference between a hard drive and an SSD. So what does that actually mean in everyday use? Let's say your PC takes around 1 minute to boot using a hard drive. Replace it with an SSD, and that same computer could be ready to use in as little as 10 to 15 seconds. Applications launch faster, games load noticeably quicker, large files transfer in a fraction of the time. Even everyday tasks like opening File Explorer or launching your web browser feel smoother and more responsive. An SSD doesn't make your processor faster, but it removes one of the biggest bottlenecks in your system. That's why upgrading from an HDD to an SSD often feels like buying a brand new computer. Durability, noise, and power. There's another major advantage: reliability. Because an HDD contains spinning disks and delicate moving parts, dropping your laptop while it's running could potentially damage the drive or even corrupt your data. An SSD doesn't have that problem. With no moving components, it's much better at handling bumps and vibrations. It's also completely silent. If you've ever heard clicking, spinning, or buzzing sounds from a computer, that was almost certainly the hard drive. An SSD makes virtually no noise. It also uses less power, which means better battery life for laptops and less heat inside your system. Price. Now you're probably wondering, if SSDs are better in almost every way, why do hard drives still exist? The answer is cost. When you need a huge amount of storage, hard drives are still much cheaper. For example, buying a 4TB HDD usually costs far less than buying a 4TB SSD. So if you're storing movies, security camera recordings, backups, or thousands of photos, a hard drive still offers excellent value for money. So, which one should you choose? If you're building a new PC, buying a laptop, editing videos, playing games, or simply want your computer to feel fast, go with an SSD. It's one of the biggest upgrades you can make. However, if your main priority is storing large amounts of data while keeping costs low, a hard drive is still a great option. In fact, many people use both. They install Windows and their favorite programs on a fast SSD, then use a large HDD to store photos, videos, downloads, and backups. That combination gives you the best balance of speed and storage. So, here's the bottom line. An HDD and an SSD both store your data, but they do it in completely different ways. A hard drive relies on spinning disks and moving mechanical parts. An SSD uses modern flash memory with no moving components at all. The result is faster boot times, quicker game loading, better reliability, lower power consumption, and a much smoother overall experience. If you're still using a hard drive in 2026, upgrading to an SSD is one of the most noticeable improvements you can make to your computer. If this video helped you understand the difference, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech content, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.